Car number 1, 1976 Buick LeSabre Custom Sedan, 2500 Earth Beach, Virginia. Let's kick things off with a classic cruiser. This 1976 Buick LeSabre has only 66,855 miles on it. Powered by a 5.7-liter V8 with a 4-barrel carburetor. It's all original and has been in limited use for the past 30 years. The floors are in great condition with only minor surface rust and spots. While it starts up and runs well, the seller suggests getting comfortable with it locally before taking it on a longer journey. A solid piece for any Buick fan, and even possible trades are open. Car number 2, 1965 Pontiac Bonneville 2-door, $3,000, London, Kentucky. Here's a chance to bring a Bonneville back to life. This 1965 Bonneville is a roller, meaning the 400 engine needs a rebuild, and the car itself could use a little TLC. The body was taken off the frame, and the frame looks brand new with fresh paint and new brake lines. The floors are solid, although the trunk will need a few patches. This Pontiac is primed for a restoration project and comes with a clear title, ready for the next chapter. Car number 3, 1979 Buick LeSabre Landau, $3,000, Pennsylvania. This 1979 Buick LeSabre Landau is ready to roll with just 91,000 miles. It's green inside and out, and the seller has added new brakes, battery, oil, and shocks. The car also comes with 22-inch rims and new tires if you're looking for that custom look. With only 2 owners, it's a solid foundation for an old-school project car or even a cool daily driver. Serious buyers only. Car number 4, 1974 Dodge Pickup, $2,000, Fall River. Here's a rugged 1974 Dodge Pickup with a lot of history. It's been off the road since 2011, so it's a bit of a mystery on mileage, but the seller assures it's ready for a new owner to haul it away as is. The seller has equipment to help load it onto your trailer, making it a straightforward pick for anyone looking to restore a vintage Dodge truck or use it as a parts donor. Car number 5, 1971 Volkswagen Type 3 Fastback, $2,200, Wadsworth, Ohio. Looking for a quirky project? This 1971 Volkswagen Type 3 Fastback with just under 70,000 miles could be it. It's got a bold orange exterior, and the black interior makes it pop. The seller bought it as a project but needs to pass it on due to storage limitations, especially with winter approaching. A great pick for anyone with a passion for VW restorations. Car number 6, 1979 Chevrolet 1500 regular cab long bed, $2,000, Harriman, Tennessee. This Chevrolet 1500 is a true workhorse. With a solid 350 engine, 4-speed transmission, and 3/4-ton capacity, this truck may be a little rough around the edges, but it runs like a champ. It's an ideal candidate for a reliable work truck or a restoration project for Chevy enthusiasts. Car number 7, 1968 Cadillac Eldorado, $2,000, Wisconsin. Finally, we have a 1968 Cadillac Eldorado. It's missing the engine, which the seller is using for another project, but the transmission is still intact and functional. There's some rust on the body, but the undercarriage is reported to be solid. This one could be perfect for a parts project or as a starting point for an ambitious restoration.